Let me move to immigration. In the past, you've had some breaks with conservative orthodoxy when it comes to immigration. As a governor, you supported a bill that would have allowed undocumented immigrants to receive in-state tuition benefits, and you've defended that position a number of times. In 2010, you said the question is an undocumented immigrant better off going to college and becoming a neurosurgeon or a banker or whatever he might become and becoming a taxpayer, and in the process to apply for and achieve citizenship, or should we make him pick tomatoes? Do you still feel the same way?
Absolutely. Look, we force by law people to go to school in our states. So as a governor, if we had a 9-year-old kid, didn't matter why he came or what his parents did, the kid had to go to school by law. So he goes all the way through the public schools of our state. He graduates. He's valedictorian. We actually had a kid in one of the largest high schools in the state who was the valedictorian. He came here when he was 5 years old. He had gone through the entire public school system. And then the big question was, should he qualify, having been an Arkansas student, having been a part of the public schools of that state, valedictorian, should he be able to qualify for the same scholarships that anyone else did? And I said, yes, he should, because you don't punish a child for something his parents did. I want to get control of the borders. I want to make sure that we have a better handle on immigration. It's totally out of control. But I don't know that we've ever been a nation that said, if you're in the back seat of your car when your dad is speeding, we're going to charge you in the back seat for what your dad did up in the front seat. That just doesn't ring true to me.
So you wouldn't roll back the president's 2012 executive order if you become elected president, which essentially gave undocumented children legal status here in the United States?
Oh, yes, I would, because he didn't have the authority to do it, and he said he didn't have the authority to do it when he was interviewed just a year before.
So you would roll it back?
What he did was well, here's the problem, Chuck. There's a process. We have a thing called the Constitution, and the Constitution doesn't allow the chief executive just to make up law.